Apple is set to blow the lid off the next generation Apple TV, and if you are still rocking a streaming box from 2 or 3 years ago, you are about to be left in the dust. Today, we are diving deep into the upcoming 2026 Apple TV, a device that isn't just an incremental update, but a complete rethinking of what your television can do. The specs we're looking at today are nothing short of a paradigm shift. The current Apple TV 4K has been a reliable workhorse, but it's been feeling its age. We are living in an era of on-device AI, high bitrate cloud gaming, and smart homes that need a brain, not just a remote. Apple knows this. The internal leaks coming out of Cupertino suggest that the new hardware has been ready and undergoing testing for months. They've been waiting for the perfect software match, the new revamped Siri powered by Apple Intelligence. This isn't just a streaming device anymore. It's being positioned as the central nervous system of your home. The biggest leap is under the hood. We are talking about the A17 Pro chip, the same 3nm powerhouse that turned the iPhone 15 Pro into a gaming console is making its way into your living room. Why does this matter? Because of the RAM. Reports indicate this new model will pack 8 GB of memory. That's double the current generation. For the average viewer, that means instant app loading and zero stutter. But for the power users, this is the gatekeeper to console-quality gaming. Imagine playing titles like Resident Evil Village or Death Stranding directly on your TV without needing to stream them from a server. All thanks to hardware-accelerated ray tracing and the sheer graphical prowess of the A17 architecture. It turns your TV into a legitimate gaming machine that challenges traditional consoles. The hardware story gets even better. Apple is integrating their own custom-designed N1 networking chip. This is a massive, often overlooked detail. With Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0 support, this device is future-proofed for the next 5 years. Wi-Fi 7 brings lower latency and higher bandwidth, which is essential if you're pulling down high bitrate 4K HDR streams or engaging in cloud gaming where every millisecond counts. Bluetooth 6.0 is going to revolutionize how your controllers, headphones, and smart home accessories talk to your box. No more annoying disconnects, no more audio sync issues, just a seamless, invisible connection. Beyond the raw specs, consider the sheer versatility of having this much compute power in a living room device. We are talking about potential support for high-resolution, lossless audio pass-through and improved video processing that could make even standard HD content look sharper through real-time AI upscaling. Think about the implications for your home theater setup. The integration with advanced soundbars and multi-channel audio systems will be more stable and intelligent than ever before. This machine isn't just reacting to your commands. It is actively optimizing your entire media consumption environment in the background, ensuring that every frame and every note is delivered exactly as the creators intended. For years, Siri on the Apple TV has been a bit of a letdown. But with the new Apple Intelligence update, that narrative changes overnight. The new Siri isn't just a voice command system, it's an AI agent. You'll be able to ask complex natural language questions. You can ask for specific movies based on obscure plot descriptions, and it will not only find them, but also contextually understand that you prefer watching them in Dolby Vision with your specific soundbar settings. It learns your household. If you have multiple family members, the device is expected to distinguish between voices to tailor recommendations and watch lists to the specific person currently holding the remote. The leaks regarding the Siri remote are also fascinating. We are hearing strong whispers about the integration of the U2 ultra-wideband chip. If you have ever lost your remote in the abyss of your couch cushions, this is the feature you've been waiting for. With precision finding in the Find My app, you will get directional arrows and distance indicators leading you right to it, just like you do with an AirTag. Plus, there's talk of enhanced haptic feedback, giving that touch-sensitive surface a more premium, tactile feel that makes navigation feel intentional rather than slidey. Apple is clearly playing the long game in the smart home war. With the new Home Hub devices also on the horizon, Apple is weaving a web. The new Apple TV serves as the primary gateway for this ecosystem. Through the Home app, you'll be able to manage your security cameras, smart lights, and climate control with the A17 Pro chip handling complex automation locally. By processing these tasks on device, your home becomes faster, more private, and entirely independent of the cloud. This is the vision, taking a device that was once just for streaming and turning it into the command center for your entire domestic life. There's a lot of debate right now about whether this should be called the Apple TV Pro or if it's just the next iteration of the 4K model. Given the performance jump, it's arguably the biggest upgrade in the history of the product line. Some industry analysts are pointing toward a release window in the fall of 2026, likely alongside or shortly after the new iPhone event. It makes sense. Apple wants to dominate the holiday shopping season. They finished the hardware. They've finalized the latest tvOS updates. Now they're just waiting for the perfect moment to drop it into the market. For those of you wondering about 8K support, the reality is that 8K remains a niche content market. While the A17 Pro has the raw power to handle it, Apple is likely focusing on perfecting the 4K HDR experience, especially with the potential for higher frame rates and better integration with spatial audio setups. They want this device to be the one you don't feel the need to replace for another 4 years. Comparing this to the competition, Roku and Fire TV are great for budget shoppers. But they aren't even playing the same sport when you look at the silicon inside this new Apple machine. When you factor in the ecosystem, your AirPods switching automatically, your iPhone acting as a webcam for FaceTime calls on the big screen, and the seamless integration with Apple Music and Arcade, this is clearly aimed at the user who values performance and privacy above all else. Consider how the build quality itself is evolving. Reports indicate a more robust thermal management system hidden within a sleek, refined chassis that dissipates heat more effectively during intense gaming sessions. This ensures sustained peak performance without throttling, which is a massive upgrade over previous iterations. Furthermore, the internal power supply has been redesigned to be more energy efficient, aligning with Apple's broader environmental goals while still delivering the high-octane performance you expect from a Pro-labeled device. It is a masterclass in engineering that balances power, efficiency, and aesthetics in a way only Apple can achieve. If you are currently using an older Apple TV HD or even an older 4K model, the jump to this 2026 version is going to be staggering. The performance, the AI capabilities, and the connectivity improvements are going to make your current setup feel like a fossil. We are looking at a device that is finally using the full potential of Apple's silicon. This isn't just a streaming box anymore. It's a living room computer. Does this sound like a must-buy for your setup, or are you waiting to see how the gaming features actually perform in the real world? Let me know in the comments below, because I read every single one of them. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. We're tracking all the leaks as we head toward the launch, and you won't want to miss our next video where we break down the final benchmarks. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tech that matters.